Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook stir-fry noodles. Getting started with stir-fry noodles is all about preparation. First, select your preferred noodle type, like thin rice vermicelli or hearty egg noodles. Next, chop all your vegetables and protein into bite-sized, uniform pieces for even cooking. Finally, mix your sauce ingredients together in a bowl so it is ready to add quickly when stir-frying. This organized approach ensures a smooth and delicious cooking experience. Now that your ingredients are prepped, let's get those noodles ready. Cook your chosen noodles, whether they are egg or rice noodles, according to the package instructions until they are just al dente, meaning slightly firm. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Immediately rinse them under cold water to stop the cooking process and prevent them from clumping. Then, drain them very well to remove any extra water, ensuring your stir-fry sauce stays flavorful. With your noodles ready, it's time for the main event, stir-frying. Heat your wok or a large skillet over very high heat until you see a wisp of smoke. Add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, such as peanut or canola oil. First, cook your protein until it's nearly done, then remove it. Next, add your harder vegetables like carrots for about 1 minute, followed by softer ones like bell peppers for another 30 seconds. This layering ensures everything cooks perfectly. We're almost there. Now, return your cooked protein to the wok with the vegetables. Add your perfectly cooked and drained noodles, along with your pre-mixed stir-fry sauce. Toss everything together quickly and vigorously for about 1 minute, ensuring every strand of noodle and every piece of ingredient is evenly coated and heated through. Serve immediately, perhaps garnished with some fresh cilantro or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for that extra touch of deliciousness. Enjoy your homemade stir-fry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.